Yeah, I'm saying little panic, yeah, I'm saying keep the fire burning, fresh things, yeah, and all that, yeah.
I said I don't need your loving, no baby. No. Go away with your evil loving. 'Cause I don't need no more of your kissing. No, I say, go away with your evil loving. 'Cause I don't need no more love it so long. She don't wanna expose her hair. She don't wanna use them skincare.
Yeah, I'm sorry, little funny. Yeah, I'm sorry, keep the fire burning. Fresh things, yeah, Marlon. Yeah.
Her meditation so strong. Who wants a black woman? Yes. Girl, I'm where you listen. A real woman, yeah. Queen of the motherland.
Nitty funny bona fire, banner weeks.
The streets are getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Bless up, you know this is Richie Spice representing. Yep, and I'll be performing live December 8th at Club Amazura. Yeah, you don't know, Unity is trend, it's Black Man time now. Yeah, come out, let's have a good time. Whoa, na. You see the streets is getting hot again. Yes, and the youths them I get so cold. December 8th, I see you there. Bang.
Yes. Girl, I'm where you listen. A real woman, yeah. Queen of the motherland. Hey, Empress number one. Girl, I wanna be your love woman. From the way I see you keep your skin tone, I know that you're not unbalanced. That's the way I know you rate your temper. You're an example. Woman, I see the beauty in you. I see your future in you. Woman, I see your light in you. I see true loving in you. What's a black woman? Yes. Girl, I'm where you listen. A real woman, yeah. Queen of the motherland. Hey, Empress number one. Girl, I wanna be your love woman. She don't wanna cream her hair. She wants it wrap up in a turban. I love the little skirt she wear. She says she love it so long. She don't wanna expose her hair. She don't wanna use them skincare. I love the way how she program. Her meditation so strong. What's a black woman? Yeah. Oh, na, na. Girl, I'm in the listen now. Real woman, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, na, na.
Nitty funny.
I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. Me stand out in a Babylon and represent the truth. Me nah go stay a road and see bad things and keep me mouth from mute. I got a strong reggae beat with a mic in a me hand. To lead out the youth them out of destruction and tell the people they should know right from wrong. We got the strength, we got the power to help each other up the ladder. Don't be selfish to help your brothers today. We can make it if we try. Just remember to hold your head high. It doesn't make sense when we fuss and fight. I need a Gideon boot and a khaki suit. We stand out in a Babylon and defend the truth. Me nah go sit aside and watch Babylon and keep me mouth from mute. I've got a strong reggae beat and a mic.
Nitty funny.
We lead out the youth them out of destruction and let the people know right from wrong. Oh, you believe in love, we'll get a blessing from above. No, you believe in love. Oh, you believe in love, we'll get a blessing from above.
I'm sorry, little funny. Yeah, I'm sorry, keep the fire burning.
Hey, watch the places you walk in, mind the way you talk. Watch out for the vampire who will sneak up in the dark. Watch out for the big time thief who claim say that them smart. They're bringing the crack and the gun to come mash up the youth them shuffle hungry belly day I had can't find food to eat. Better run red. Where they all a look down at the brain. I hear an it's you dead. Whoa, it's dead. Better run red. Where they all a stick down at the brain. I hear an it's you dead. Dead. It doesn't make no sense to tell the man them who don't dig up.
I comes to great some call it to panic, some boy panic.
It's all the time we should have some fun. Give thanks to Jack as the man soon come. Make no sense to tell the man them let the politics. Back and turn your back and let the man get trick. Mama, better run red.
Empty barrel and I make them more nice. Now follow them true, so them no realize. Me accept the king and I go chance for pride. Jack wine cut them down to size. Hey, empty barrel and I make them more nice. Now follow them true, so them no realize. Me accept the king and I go chance for pride. Jack wine cut them down to size. Enough of them a move and them now move wise. Open them ears but them close up them eyes. Enough of them a wolf and me know them disguise. Them wanna stop me now, me back. All from the face and the kind van Jacob's ladder. Enough of them a slide. This Rasta man and them a feel deep wide. I am for a Selassie and me seal and me guide. Me nah cap no flea, me nah complete my tune. Enough of them a empty barrel and I make them all nice. Now follow them truth and them not realize. Me accept the king and I'll go jump for pride. Jack I cut them down.
Na 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 yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. Say that I don't like everything. Because the way you're living, if I do you say what's happening, if I don't stay still, what's happening? Blood again, yes, I don't have it, a little you get shot again. Fire for the wicked, fire for the evil. What's my gun reach? I'm in a moment of life for no my way. What's my fuck reach? I'm in a moment of life for no my way. As a little you try to keep him down again. What kind of juice that me go get so they are blend? Who for little you that me go get so they are end? Yeah, tell you that I don't like everything. Because the way you're living, if I do you say what's happening, you gotta stay Bam up again. Yes, and that's a lead that 25 dead up again. Suicide bomb a then who send them? This I wanna go straight to all bush heavens. How much more you see I go make lose them head? How much more you see I go chop down them? Double some a shot and they know I'm no head. When my man here come from them I must be winted. Coming with the fire, yeah, we're redder than red.
Panic, got them panic. Yes, man, you know this is Richie Spirit representing. Ha ha ha. Oh na na na, na 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 na. Yes, man. Come let me tell your friend, the plain land. You see plain land. Native Valley can play a selection. The plain land, you see plain land. But saddle up yourself, you take interrogation. The plain land, you see plain land. Native Valley can play a selection. The plain land, you see plain land. Saddle up yourself, you take interrogation. Search them, search the Taliban. Search him as destruction. That's why me toothpaste, that's why me stimulant. All of the ball and that's why medication. Dry out my belly, left my pants in my hands. Scan all me and you ask me where I come from. Take off your shoes then say take off your tummy. If I ever find your beat, that's if you're gone another land. In the plain land, you see plain land. Native Valley play a big selection. The plain land, you see plain land. Go saddle up yourself and take interrogation. The plain land, you see plain land. Native with big selection. The plain land, it's a plain land. Saddle up yourself with your interrogation. Panic travel over land, travel over seas. In the works of His Majesty, in this your new world order, what do you got to be? It's a new millennium, the tin pan sound, they got to keep them sound up. Music alone we select, that's what.
Native no last away. Well, I used to kill jump on any day. Marlon no last away. When I mingle with Bo can't win up. Squiddly no last away. Well, I used to kill jump on any day. Native no last away. The plate busting up boy yet like the shot take. Squiddly is the elemental surprise. 50 cent to 50 shall survive, yeah. We kill some and they realize Marlon got the thing well organized, yo. Give them another high pitch. Light up another big spliff, yo. We kill some city for the it. And the money we are look out at it.
Tell them so the most I Jah deliver you. Through your troubles and trials, He comfort you. Native the most I Jah deliver you. Through your troubles and trials, He comfort you. Go prepare a table in front of you, in the presence of your enemy. And night that song with oil, to play on them over. Can often know the battle what we face, how we deal with the sound them out there. Some corrupted jump and them no fear. Native you a kill song near. Tell them so the most I Jah deliver you. Through your troubles and trials, He comfort you. Native the most I Jah deliver you. Through your troubles and trials, He comfort you. It good bad pan the sound them native and it go kill them. Say them a Bobo Hill go make him money well recruit them. Them never know native and it them a chat. When them new to yard it with them bag. Spot sound a susu and a chat and a call up with him. Say we a go pop down at the land. Them a set chat for native and it what them can't tame. Son boy flap and go shame.
Jam sound Native Panic, yeah, Mr. Keep the fire burning, fresh prints, yeah, and all that, yeah.
Na 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 na. Yeah.
Give me a Native Panic. And Native Panic, the people I'm saying.
Burning marijuana from the corner. You keep me calm. You make me smarter. Burning on the highway. It's the highest grade. Get into my head. Marijuana from the corner. You keep me calm. You make me smarter. Burning on the highway. It's the highest grade. Get into my head. At times I bake it, sometimes I'll steam it. I give it to some of my brethren and my sister who use it. It's the king of the forest, Babylon, they don't like it. They chop it up, they heap it up, and then they destroy it. You see, they stick you up, they lock you up, they take it for a crime. When it's the healing of the nation, bet you never know. The healing of the nation. Why? Marijuana from the corner. You keep me calm. You make me smarter.
No, 'cause I wanna be sure. Oh girl, I don't wanna keep wasting all my time. No baby, wasting all my time. No child, I come to you like a fire to ice. To melt your heart with love, it would be so nice. If you love me, please let me know. You're more than a lady, just come and walk to my door. If you love me, let me know. 'Cause I wanna be sure. Oh girl, I don't wanna keep wasting all my time. No baby, wasting all my time. No child, I need someone who'll stay from beginning to end. I need a lover, not just a friend. No heartbreaker, no vanity grabber.
Now here comes a great song called Little Panic. That's some wild panic.
Me and make life much better. If you love me, let me know. 'Cause I wanna be sure. Oh girl, I don't wanna keep wasting all my time. No time, wasting all my time. Yes, I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be lonely. Don't wanna be a loser. That's why I got your back, baby. Don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be lonely. Don't wanna be a loser. That's why I got your back, baby. Got your back. Yes, I got you, baby. Got your back. Yes, I got you, baby. How sweet it is to be loved by you. 99 times 9, that's how much I love you. Girl, you're warm like the sun, second to none. Oh no, no, you bring me fun. How I love can done. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be lonely. Don't wanna be a loser. That's why I got your back, baby. Don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be lonely. Don't wanna be a loser. That's why I got your back, baby. Got your back. Yes, I got you, baby. Got your back. Yes, I got you, baby. Yes. How sweet it is, you're so understanding. How great it is, you are so straight. You make my life much easier. Oh, mama, just stay away from the media. You never follow the rumor. Together we will stay. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be alone. Girl, me and you there. Don't wanna be a loser. Yeah. Girl, I want your friends, what them say, what them do. 'Cause you don't know what you lose. Yeah. If me not come home tonight and just the words, you wouldn't see me and another girl a flirt. So girl, I want your friends, what them say, what them do. 'Cause you don't know what you a column of me life, my girl. Not even earthquake can move you without a shadow of a doubt, my girl. I'll do just anything for you. I'm so happy you're mine, you're a one of a kind girl. So now listen to a word they say. If they never get a chance, they must me away. The house from the scheme, girl, are you living there? You got the keys, so make them stand there. Are you a spend the money Sunday to Sunday? So when them a chat, just tell them figure. Girl, now what your friends, what them say, what them do. 'Cause you don't know what you do. She get the wedding ring. Talking about my Western girl. Everything she do's amazing. She give me
cook and she clean in an instant. She make sure the bills start out. Sometimes I would tell her, say, baby, just easy now. I get breakfast in bed in the morning. That she with Erin and the house. The pleasure is mine, cause she's a comedian. She know how to put it on me. In a slow motion, full of her emotion. She love it, love it. I'm talking about my Western girl. Everything she do's amazing. She give me that comfy love. She give me that country love. I'm talking about my Western girl. She don't know a thing about lady. I love my country girl. I'm in love with my country girl. Although we fuss, although we fight, sometimes we quarrel. No matter what, I love you. I'm in She was raised in the green, in a little village by the beach. She know how to put it on me. In a slow motion, full of her emotion. She love it.
You can see my clothes. You can see my You're again. Come to give you more again, yeah. You can see my clothes. You can see my You can see my soul. Let he who is without sin cast the first stone. He who feels it knows. I'm proud about my growth. Just wanna be a better man, no better than anybody else. Just a better version of myself. Grew up in a struggle life, had to realize I could change myself, and I couldn't be somebody else. Oh yeah, there's a price for every chance, yeah. Think again, my brother. Every day is a second chance. We got to love each other. You can see my clothes, yeah. You can see my soul. Let he who is without sin cast the first stone. Who feels it now? No. I'm proud about mine. Every sin got a history. I done epiphany. I know you get me. We all made mistakes. Oh yes. Sometimes I don't wanna see where you wanna be, and I hope you let me, 'cause that's all it takes. There's a price for every choice, yeah. Think again, my brother. Every day is a second chance. We got to love each other. You can see my clothes. But you can see my soul. Let's see who is without sin. Cast it for soul. Who feels it knows.
Yeah, I'm starting to find it. Yeah, I'm keep the fire burning, fresh pins, yeah, Marlon, yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to find it. Yeah, I'm keep the fire burning, fresh pins, yeah, Marlon, yeah.
The world is a cycle. Everything around me has to go around in a circle. The world is a cycle. Yes, everything around me has to go around in a circle. Got to check the step you take and every breath you make. Because the little things you do is coming back at you. and destiny. I might just rise above the odds, regain my victory. Do right, do right, do right, do right. The world is a cycle. Going round and round, round and round. Everything I have has to come round in a circle. Going round and round, round and round. The world is a cycle. Going round and round, round and round. Everything I have has to come round in a circle. Going round and round, round and round, round and round. Earth I come, earth I come, earth I forward. As it was in this Irish and so shall it be in this Iowa. Jah is the key, still him as the master. Hey. Whatever you do, that's how you shall prosper. Good, good, do good, do good. In everything you do, remember to pray. You fry your day, take the devil away. In everything you do, remember to pray. If you fry your day, take the devil away. In everything you do, remember to pray. I pray your day, take the devil away. In everything you do, remember to pray. And if you try your day, take the devil. So if I see you stumble, I'll catch before you fall. I'm talking to you. Say the world is round and it's spinning like a ball. I'm talking to you. Who have eyes to see, let them see. We're jump on fire, jump on shoulder. Spitting out the sky, they go falling on your eyes, son. Because the world is a cycle. Going round and round, round and round. Everything early has to come in a
sound little funny, yeah, Mr. Keep the fire burning, fresh pins, yeah, Marlon, yeah.
Here again, gonna work, gonna endure again. Baby, I understand the reason why you're leaving, but that doesn't make it any easier to bear. I know that I played the game of fool when I was cheating. Now I'm crying. Oh. Said I lost it, my intentions was not there. But I was messing with your feelings, I didn't care. But I love you. But I love you. But I love you. But I love you. Yeah. So what could if you won't take me back to the arms of love? So what could if you won't take me back to your arms of love?
Me not show you, man. Desolation. Man. Tribulation. A Richie Spice and Snatch Dog.
In a pretty no, in a pretty attack.
In a pretty no,
In a mama sing, my mama sing. Say, hey, living ain't easy no, it ain't easy at that.
You know easy no, you know easy no. Tell them.
Out in the streets of toil to raise up 11 child. Imagine the pressure that she bears.
Imagine.
So much hungry mouths to feed. In her basket she heard a little bread. One frock, one shoes and one tired. Mama never want me to beg that she sings. In a pretty no, in a pretty attack.
In a pretty no,
In a mama sing, my mama sing. Say, hey, living ain't easy no, oh no. Living ain't easy at that.
you know easy no, you know easy no.
Hey,
I tell them, from a little lad me you fight it. You overcome the struggle when hungry you bite me. No time crime, one get a hold of me. Some 35 element can't touch me. Yes, mother banner your flag I wave high. No time that let you done, but me never stop try. Half you reach me goals, now go sponge for no guy. Want me mother feel proud, that's the truth, not no lie.
in a pretty no, oh no. In a pretty at that.
You know pretty no,
In my mama sing, my mama sing.
them
Say,
sure know.
hey, living ain't easy no, oh no. Living ain't easy at that.
You know easy no, you know easy no.
Because na yes. Na yes. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in.
Nitty Fanny Bona Fire Pana
It's
Weeksa.
not hard as it seems. Take it one day at a time and fulfill your dreams.
Yeah, Mr. sound little funny, yeah, Mr. Keep the fire burning.
Remember, no
fresh
one is an
pins,
island,
yeah,
no one
Marlon,
stands alone. In your doings, always remember your theme. All when things get hard and lean, hold on to your faith and fulfill your beam. And don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Test of time, test of patience. Just like in the day so true. And don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in. Don't you worry about a thing. Take it easy, believe me, and never give in.
Look at my life and the things I survived, and I wonder, yeah, it's hard to imagine that I ever got this far. Times it was like I was lost and the ship's going under. But just like an angel when I need you most, there you are. Hold me in your arms tonight. Don't you ever let me go. Gonna make it through. I know you only need to hold me in your arms tonight. Dreams are always coming true, and it started with the love I found in you.
Baby girl, I must have been a fool, forever thinking I could keep you cool. We've been together since we were in school. Why you had to go and change the rules? And all the time that I was loving you, behind my back you weren't being true. And even though I put my trust in you, I don't know what to do. Why you wanna let a good thing go? Our loving should have never stopped flow. We got more love than Juliet and Romeo. So tell me why you wanna let this thing go? Why you wanna let a good thing go? Our loving should have never stopped flow. We got more love than Juliet and Romeo. So girl, tell me 'cause I really wanna know.
Hey, you know say a fool you take me for? I won't name Michelle, I won't name Renee. I won't picture this in your phone. You know say I gotta call them gals and make them know who his wife round here. Keep on, say something.
Me put a lock on me phone and not tell you me pin number. Cause when no see no hurt, you tell me you a beg me a call where you can search the phone for. Know what tear off me shirt. After me done tell you say you are the woman of the yard, and you know say every man flirt. So why the hell you a stress me when you fi caress me? Tell me where the cussing worth. You know see it say telephone thing mash up me life. It make me itty a call you why. You know see it say telephone thing mash up me life. It make me girl run gone for night. And you know see it say telephone thing mash up me life. Hey, I hit a class for sci-fi. You know see it say telephone thing mash up me life. It make me can't sleep.
I will hold her in my arms and put her head up on my shoulder. And I will keep her warm, and even when the night gets colder. We have grown in love, and every day we're getting older. Still I will keep you warm, I will keep you warm. Hey Camille, I know the way you feel. I tell you not to worry, cause you know this love is real. Yeah, straight up loving and a backdoor deal. Full of pride, couldn't hide, can't conceal. Cause you're my baby girl, that brings my baby girl. I'm not mad, that's what you rock my world. May I say you're more valuable than the rubies and the pearls. My arms and put her head up on my shoulder. And I will keep her warm, and even when the night gets colder. We have grown in love, and every day we're getting older. Still I will keep you warm, I will keep you warm. Let me introduce myself, Munga, I'm the boss. I got to let you know I was attracted when you passed. Smoking on my herbs and tripping through my Gucci gloss. At your cute face, your pretty boobs and your sexy ass, yeah. Cause I was meant for you, and you were meant for me. It's so clear that this loving was meant to be. I was sent for you, you were made for me. And this love is so real. In my arms, and put her head up on my shoulder. I will keep you warm, and even when the night gets
A brown skin, girl, I wanna wrap you, wanna lock you in my arms and brown skin, woman, I love the vibes, I love the spice, I love the passion you bring. Brown skin, yes, I wanna wrap you, wanna lock you in my arms and a brown skin.
getting hot, and the youths them I get so cold. Bless up, you know this is Richie Spice representing. Yep, and I'll be performing live December 8th at Club Amazura. Yeah, you don't know, Unity's trend, it's Black Man time now. Yeah, come out, let's have a good time. Whoa, nana! You see the streets is getting hot again. Yes, and the youths them I get so cold. December 8th, I see you there. Bang.
Jah protect us from enemy, and He make we no friendly. Yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Wow. Jah protect us from enemy, and He make we no friendly. Yeah. Protect us from enemy, even when them up anyway. Wow. So the one and then, oftentimes I see they try to put them foot in on me shoes, the lace. Whoa, wicked heart no get no blind. Me put them in the fire, make the whole of them go fry. So me say again, oftentimes they try to prove, yo, and try to put their foot in my shoes, yeah. Them mentally confused. Try this the king and now the whole of them. Jah protect us from enemy, and He make we no friendly. Feel your sound before you reach at the dance hall gate. Partiality has no place in this sound clash. Remember these dogs of prophecy. I say, sound boy, you run, come give away your life. And if you panic, they're bout. By you know the truths and rights. And if you panic, run the area. So you run, come give away your life. And if you panic, run the border. Sound boy should know. No.
Only I Celestia the first of the big star come of China, yeah. Yeah, I'm saying Native Phonic, yeah, I'm saying keep the fire burning, fresh pins, yeah, Marlon, yeah. Yeah, man, you don't know America, I was kick down another them face one time.
Na. Yeah, na. Alright, you want to tell them this? You understand?
Watch those places you're walking, mind the way you talk. Watch out for the vampires who will sneak up in the dark. Watch out for the tin pan sounds who claim say that them smart. I bring in the crack and the gun fi come mess up the youths them heart. That's all I run with. The Tiffany kill another sound up. I run it redder than red. Whoa, yeah. That's all I run with. The Tiffany kill another sound up. I run it redder than red. Yeah. Watch it. The Tiffany sound a come in and a sneaking under them feet. I dance all time, go check for signs of the time. Then I feel the heat. Can you feel the sound them string up in the street, man? You know say things now go sweet. Some man now also some a shuffle and go sound man they a yard can't find food feed. That's all I run with. The Tiffany kill another sound that I run it redder than red. Whoa.
I don't like the way they're playing, because the way they're playing is sickening. Them fight the youths of them out of their juggle. They call us lazy while they're winning.
Sound clash again. Yes, and it Tiffany just kill a sound again. Fire for the wicked, fire for the heathen. Oh, Us my son reach and me no know me da like fi know when. Us my son dead and me no know me da like fi know when. As I jump and rise from the keep it down again. What kind of juice that we go catch so they your blood? Who for little youth that we go catch so they your hang? Little Fanny tell them that I don't like the way they're playing. Because the way they're playing is sickening. Them fight the youths so them out of their juggling.
Well, Little Fanny, hardcore and well dynamic.
While we're winning. Bunch up again. Suicide by my dinner, who said them? This I wanna go straight to a jump on events. How much more youths say I gonna make lose them?
Are you planning on releasing a dancehall or reggae track, but frustrated it won't get the attention it deserves? Worry no more. Visit submittune.com and get effective and affordable promotion. We have a list of mixtape DJs, YouTubers, radio, and media personnel, bloggers, Spotify playlisters, graphic designers, and also mixing and mastering services. All you have to do is sign up at submittune.com and begin the journey of getting your music heard. With the help of submittune.com, artists are taking back their power and promoting their music directly to people who can make their dreams of success a reality. Build genuine connections as your music will be heard by fans in the genre. Sign up with submittune.com today and get your music heard.